In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can post a live photo on an Instagram story. Before you do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, you need to make sure that you already have a live photo saved on your phone. I obviously have a bunch of these, but if not, just turn on your camera, go ahead and turn on live photo and take one. But from here, go ahead and open up Instagram, tap the plus icon up in the top left, and then go ahead and find story on here and select it. It's then going to take you to a page that looks something like this. We need to go ahead and find your live photo. Let's just go ahead and find it. You could see really any live photo just by finding one that has like a little infinity icon in the top left corner. But go ahead and find a good live photo, select it, and once you do select it, what you need to do is just select the infinity icon again, and you're going to see that live photo go ahead and activate. You can, change the options on here like classic, slow-mo, echo, or duo. Go ahead and adjust it accordingly, but whenever you're done, hit done, and then of course you just have to hit your story and it'll post it over there. That's the full process right here. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.